Hey guys, what we are going to do in this lesson is downloading the Dachshund from a well-known platform. So, open Google in your browser and look for CG Trader. Click on the first result. Once you are in the website, go to the search box and type Dachshund. That's it. Now, tick the free box. You'll find a model that I've uploaded in advance, and I did it using similar techniques to those we've seen in the previous video so that you can use this in your scene. Click on Free Download and wait 20 seconds. After that, just click on Download. I had downloaded the model in advance and I have it in another document. Okay. So we have the model of this dog. Press Ctrl+C and then go to the window menu and go back to your main document. Now press Ctrl+V. Get out of the camera and place the dog on the conveyor belt. That's it. Rotate it. This will allow us to get some previous images before starting with the animation. Let's duplicate the dog and then duplicate it 2 more times on the other side. That's it. This will be like a reference to know where the dogs will be placed. See you in the next video, guys. Bye!